Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss chapter circles of exercise 10.2 CBSE curriculum. Question 2. What is given in the given figure? If TP and TQ are the two tangents to a circle with center O, so that angle POQ equal to 110 degrees, then angle PTR is equals to. Options are A60, B70, C80, D90. First take the figure, draw a circle with center O and take a point T outside the circle. Okay, draw a tangent where TP is a tangent and TP is a tangent and TQ is a tangent. Therefore, P and Q makes the angle of 90 degrees guys, and given that angle O is 110 degrees, they are asking to find the angle of T. Okay, and by this you observe that this forms a quadrilateral, right? So based on the quadrilateral formula, that is the sum of all four sides equal to 360, right? Based on that formula we can find the value of T guys. So first write down what is given in the question. TP and TQ are the two tangents to a circle with center O. Okay, then given that angle POQ equal to 110 degrees, that is angle O is given as 110 degrees, we need to find angle T, that is angle PTR, and where OP is perpendicular to PT and OQ is perpendicular to TQ, because since these two are tangents and OQ is a radius, OP is a radius, therefore definitely this becomes a perpendicular to the circle guys. Therefore from the figure, quadrilateral POQT, sum of four angles equal to 360 degrees, right? Therefore find all the angles except unknown value, that is except T value. Okay, substitute all the values and simplify. Therefore angle X is nothing but angle T guys, is equal to 360 minus 290, that equals 70. So this is the option B guys, 70 degrees. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.